Welcome to the TMC Newsroom. Rich Tehrani here. We're at Interop 2012 in Las Vegas, Nevada. On our show is Ed Breay. He's the Senior Sales Engineer at Hitachi ID Systems. Ed, welcome to the show.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
So what are you showing at Interop this year?
Well, Hitachi ID Systems specializes in identity management software. So it's software that basically manages user IDs, entitlements, permissions on systems throughout the user customer enterprise. Okay.
And are there any things that we should know about in terms of new additions, new products, new features, benefits?
Well, one of our main messages of the show this year is that the niche that our product set is in is typically called identity and access management, and we're talking about changing the name involved with those type of products. We feel the product category is more aptly titled entitlement, administration, and governance. Because when it comes to IDs, user permissions, entitlements, group memberships on systems that are found in a typical corporate enterprise, you're talking about things like not only creating the user ID, the identity of the user, but the entitlements and the permissions that they have on those systems, and wrap that up by providing governance or control over what that user has, not only now, but in the future.
And how does your role within this organization of dealing with identity and entitlements evolve as companies deploy public and private cloud solutions?
Well, cloud has definitely become for us more of a new target system to address. Our software usually sits in a trusted part of the user's network, and the introduction of cloud environments just brings to us a different type of environment to connect to. The user IDs still live in a cloud environment, permissions still live out there, it just becomes another area for us to manage an ID or an entitlement. Okay.
So any trends that we should discuss in terms of what's happening in the market and you've seen recently?
Cloud environments is really big, especially over the last year or so, but today's show here at Interop, it's really the device management and the requirement for organizations to allow their users to use mobile devices to gain access to infrastructure, to applications, to do their job.
So what's next for the company?
What's next is basically growth. Identity management is still a very small penetration market, so we still see a lot of large organizations still needing the requirement for managing identity entitlements and to be able to govern that and control it.
Excellent. Thanks for being here today.
Thanks for